Hi guys, welcome to Simple Programming. Today we are going to look at open-close principle. Well, according to Wikipedia, the open-close principle states that the design and writing of a code should be done in a way that new functionality should be added with minimum changes in the existing code. In other words, functions should be open for extension but closed for modifications. What does it mean? Let us see it in action. We have an animal as base class. Dog and cat extend the base class animal as derived classes. There is also an animal service, and let us look at the implementation. There is a method fetch information, and you can see there are methods for fetch information of dog and fetch information for cat. Now, do you see the problem here? Let me give you an example. What if in future I need to add a tiger class, a horse class, or a lion class? Do you see how much the if else loop is going to be a constraint here for the developers and how complicated these changes would become in future? Open close principle says that functions should be open for extension but closed for modification. But in this case, I think that it has been violated. This function is going to be modified every now and then when a new class of a tiger or a horse or a lion is added, which is going to make this very complicated. And in course of time, when multiple developers touch this file is going to be one big complicated code. So let's try to fix this. How would you fix this? Let me try to fix this. Okay, I'm going to animal class and I'm going to make this as the abstract class. Okay, I'm going to add a method signature here. Okay, we have the method signature here. Now let's go to the derived classes. Dog. Okay, let's try to add the unimplemented methods. Okay, let's move on to the cat class. Click on this, add unimplemented methods. Okay, now I don't need this logic here. I don't need this if loops here. Well, I don't need this also. In fact, I don't need this service until and unless it is very necessary. Okay, now the information about the dog can be coded here and you can get the information of the dog right from here. The same goes for the cat. And in future, let's say I'm going to create a class as tiger. And this class is going to extend animal. And let's implement the method from animal. And you can see here the fetch information is here. Okay, so let's now look at the open close principle again. The function should be open for extension but closed for modifications. Do you think now we have achieved the purpose? Yes. This might look simple, but trust me, many times you might have overlooked this principle. Give a second and go back and think about the time you spent on a new simple logic by changing multiple files. In my next video, let's see the importance of dependency inversion principle. Thank you.